Hello everyone. I came with a short video recently when I was preparing some user manual. I found this, so I thought it will be helpful for few of you. So let me share that what exactly happened. ME2O. Okay, this is the transaction where we do the goods issue of components to a subcontractor. Okay, even creating the outbound delivery for issuing the components. So in this transaction, for example, it is ME2O. So when we are using this ME2O transaction, what we found is it was not showing the print option. So why this print option is not showing? Then when I was inquiring, like kind of exploring the data, then I found to know that if I go to ME2O, this is ME2O. When I go to list, there is no option of the print. Okay, those all options are missing. So during the analysis, what I found, the reason for missing that option, just for information, ME2ON, this is the new transaction in S4HANA subcontracting cockpit. That was not impacted. Okay, so at least for the print option, I see the print export, the options are available. But for ME2O, it was missing. So then I found the reason is this parameter I already explained in earlier videos that also we can show. Like for example, if you run any kind of purchasing reports, like for example, info record, if you run info record, you will see the layout is different. It's not like ALV. It's not user friendly to download Excel sheet. Okay, this also can be fixed. So the print missing in ME2O or the layout kind of a things missing, like ALV layout is not available for any purchasing report like info record and all. For both of them, the solution is go to SU3, the maintain user profile. You can go with SU3 or else in /n, you can go to system, user profile and user data. Both will take you to the same place. Go to parameters. In this parameter, we have to maintain me_use_grid. So ensure that it is available with capital X, don't maintain small x, capital X. So use this ALV grid control in purchasing report. It is ideal to maintain this value for all of your users so that they can see the better output and which is user friendly to download to Excel sheet, and even the print option which was missed in ME2O. Both will be fixed. We have maintained. Now run ME2O, execute. So once you get the output, see the output layout is changed and you have got all these options. Let us see the previous one. See, this is the difference which we achieved. Yeah. So left hand side is new one, the right hand side is the old one. If you go to the list, nothing is available. But for the new, the list got a lot of options. So you can, when during project for all of your purchasing users, ask basis team to maintain this default parameter. So which will be helpful for them compared to asking you after a few months or few weeks of time. Thank you.